Congratulations on your purchase of the Hydra-Travel. In today's video, I want to show you how to use the unit step by step. So when you first get it, you want to make sure there's a cap that protects the electrodes. You want to remove the cap. So just look down inside, you'll see the cap, unscrew it, and now you can use it. And the second thing you want to do is just rinse it out with water. Just rinse it, and then you should be ready to go. Next thing is you want to use distilled water or very filtered water. The reason is because there's calcium, magnesium, potassium, sodium in tap water, and those are minerals that the bacteria love, and they tend to grow and they flourish in that environment. So we want to take those minerals away so you don't get the bacteria growing in here. And then also clean it. Every couple of days, put citric acid, you can find that healthy hydration, and just clean it, sanitize it, takes off any calcium that could develop on those electrodes. Okay, now that you've filled it up, there's a max line here. That's where you want to go with the distilled water. You have your little handle here, which is great. On the back, you're also going to notice this is to protect the electronics. There's a lot of units out there that don't have this, and then it'll get wet and it'll fry the electrodes, so you don't want that. All right, so it comes with a cannula. You can also go to our website at Healthy Hydration, and you can get the eye goggles too, so you can put hydration in your eyes. So you're going to just take the cannula here, and you're going to put it on the top. And then you're going to secure the cannula in your nose. And it's 1,000 times more potent when you breathe it as opposed to drinking it. So if you're doing both, you're getting both aspects of it. Okay, so 10 minutes, you're going to breathe it. And it's not like you're going to go, wow, I feel amazing. You don't really feel the gas going in, so don't think it's not working. It's just, it is working, you just don't feel it. But you can do this for 10 minutes a couple of times a day. You can't do too much. That's the benefit of hydrogen, is that there's no side effects no matter how much you take into your body. So that's it, 10 minutes later, and then after you're done, just pour out the distilled water and you're ready for your next go around. So enjoy. If you have questions, just let us know over at Healthy Hydration.